Welcome, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and that's are the news for October. I had also many other news in another video, this InterGeo video. I think this is the biggest show in the year. So some news are there, but outside from the InterGeo stuff, I have also more news for this month. And if you like to know what is the hottest stuff on the market, stay tuned. Yeah, in the beginning, maybe small summarize from my side. InterGeo biggest show this year, stay place in Frankfurt, Germany. I think it was 3 days show, biggest geospatial show in the world. From the scanning point of view, there was not so many new stuff from the big brands like Leica, Trimble, Faro. I think, I don't know if ZNF have also not a big new system there. I think there was only small improvements. But there was a big bunch of Asian producers. I don't know, there was at least 20 Chinese SLAM scanner on the InterGeo. This was like an invasion of Asian SLAM technology. I think that was on this show that we had this for a few years. We had also a big invasion of drones, but this year was a lot of producer with SLAM scanner from China there. Yeah, but let us start. We go to another Chinese brand, Shining 3D. I think maybe the market leader in installation from 3D scanners. Of course, they have from customer products, medical, design products to metrology products. And in this metrology line, we have here the new FreeScan Omni. And this is a scanner to scan to inspect application, standalone wireless, have a PTB certification inspection module, and a multi-mode and high performance. Applications, what we have, it's automotive, construction, machinery, heavy industry, and manufacturing business, or machine manufacturing. Here you can see some data set from the point cloud. Looks really sharp, really great. I think it's definitely super interesting. And the point is, this system is a, let us go to the specs. We can see the specs here. You have maximum 32 laser lines in high-speed scan mode, 1 laser line for deep pocket scans. Accuracy is 0.02 millimeters, and volumetric is 0.02 plus 0.015 millimeter per meter, and the resolution is from 0.01 to 10 millimeters. And you have wireless and wired mode. I think that's very interesting. You have a wireless mode. And for detail scans, you can go with 25 parallel laser lines. Then you have an accuracy from volumetric accuracy from 0.02 plus 0.03 millimeter per meter, up to 7 million points per second. And of course, here we have different certification. Here you have the VDE, and the ISO certification. I think that was something in the past where Shining doesn't have this VDE certification, but now the newest ones also have this certification to be a metrology measurement device. The interesting is how they are coming to this wireless mode. In the beginning, you have to work with an external Wi-Fi hub and the PC. Later, you had a built-in Wi-Fi module to connect it to a PC. And the newer generation, it's fully standalone, all-in-one 3D scanner. And you start from the small Vega to the Ritschl. I think we had also a Ritschl video. I don't know, but I think it's German only. And then now we have also this design and this metrology scanner, a standalone scanner, wireless. I think it's state-of-the-art and have also a very good price tag. So let us go from handheld scanner to next scanners, and the next, it's not a scanner, there is also a scanner. We have here, it's very interesting, was also to see on the InterGeo from CHGNAV, their CHGNAV VLI E100, and this is a GPS RTK receiver with a visual LiDAR inside. And I think here's the installation. Looks here, we have a LiDAR module, we have cameras, we have a GPS device, and this system allows you, you have 2 applications. The one is you have GPS, and if you have the GPS fix in RTK, and you have an area where you don't have GPS signals, maybe you have to go under the bridge, then you can use this LiDAR functionality to get your position in this RTK mode, and you can capture global coordinates without having GPS contact. I think that's very nice. And you can also use this LiDAR for roughly scanning, for scanning for volume calculation. Here you see a little bit like it works. If you have GPS signals and then you are in an environment where you don't have any GPS signal, then you use these SLAM system. Yeah, and I think that's a very interesting solution for the construction market. Now we jump to a software market. There's an interesting program from Europe. There's a company called Nubicon. Nubicon, I think the story you can read here, it's two guys coming, PhD guys from University of Vienna. And there's few stuff going on. There was few startups over the last years from University of Vienna, especially in photogrammetry. I think that's maybe there like a nest for that. Yeah, they built this program, and I think it's basically for presentation of data. And now they have a combination of point cloud and a combination of Enscape rendering in their product line. And you can also import Revit model with an Enscape part. You see here, you have point clouds, then you have these rendering, and you can collect this together. You can show it, and I think you also can do video animation. I think it's a kind of presenting your modeling data, point cloud data. I think here's another one for more industry application. You see on the right side you have the point cloud, left side you have these modeled installation here, and you can make this very nice video generation from that. I think it's a very interesting tool. And then we go forward. We stay in this kind of data presentation. The next one what we have is Sinto, and Sinto launched an ArcGIS integration with their scan data, and this means if you have, I think there's a connection between, we can see it here, between the Sinto cloud database, and then you can load these point clouds, or especially these kind of mesh models what they have, into ArcGIS, and can work in both programs together. Okay, it's a good application for ArcGIS user. Next one is also an industry veteran for CAD modeling. It's Bentley, and Bentley has acquired Bolster Cesium in, I don't know if it was in this year or the last year. I think it was end of last year. And this is an open platform to share data over the net. And they developed this new tool, and using also AI powered analysis, and I think from that they can also generate from from pictures, not movies, from pictures, from drone data. They can generate their mesh and Gaussian splats and 3D tile, also mesh and Gaussian splat in their software. Now it's integrated, and the release brings end-to-end 3D reality modeling into accessible high-performance pipeline. And I think this should be available end of this year. And you have also the option that you can import 3D tiles, especially coming maybe from Google dataset, together with your infrastructure project, if you are a design engineer, and presented this. As you can see here. So you have your bridge model, and then you can also import the 3D tile to make your design work more realistic, looking like, or without having to generate a big animation. Yeah, the next one, but this is only for European customer. I don't know if we can ship globally. So we have now already the XGrid Portal Cam standard and premium kit. I think first orders we deliver everything. We got this one, and now it's a continuous flow of getting these devices in our shop. It's available. You can order it. It is interesting, of course, for engineers using this. Like if you saw the Cesium opportunity with Gaussian splats, that you can use this one to collect this. My colleague Paul, he does a small video here on our LinkedIn channel. Also if you like to check it out, Laser Scanning Europe in LinkedIn. There's a small how you set up, how you can work, how easy it is. It's a total easy tool to generate such great results here for visualizations. And yeah, we have it in our shop. You can order us there. There's also some other application where we've been involved in the last time. This installation can be, here we see it, can be also in the VX application, where you can use Xquid products to capture scenes, and afterwards you can use the Gaussian splats, the meshes, to do additional renderings in your program, or you can generate camera pathways, digital scenes, so you can integrate this in your tracking mode, and this give you a new opportunity to work, different ways to work. And PortalCam was the last point for this month. Don't forget to check out this InterGeo video. Is in English too. If you've not done it before, there's the new stuff from the InterGeo. And with this one, I say bye-bye. And don't forget, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. And we have a challenge. We like to be over to 4,000 subscribers to end of this month. Really push the button for us, help us to grow the channel. I say bye-bye, Eric. Until the next news.